Good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're wrapping up our insurance roof. 16 square roof. We just did the front of the house. Had an oak tree limb come through the roof. Strip sheathing, we redecked it. Our client is a manager of a local building supply store and wanted to use IKO shingles, so that's what we did. I'm not a fan, but it is what it is. Unfortunately, insurance didn't pay for any ridge vent or drip edge, so we didn't get to do it. But this will keep out the water. And a huge improvement over what's here. A simple straight gable roof. We would have loved to have done a full, complete, high-performance roof, but it wasn't in the cards. And this is what an insurance roof should look like. Follow the scope. If your homeowner doesn't want to upgrade, do a good job for them as the scope dictates. As always, if you need professional roofing work, insurance claims, we're versed with all the providers with Xactimate. And we've got the crews and experience to make it easy for you. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102, and thank you for watching.